Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we are here with our future chefs, Renato and Gianluca, and we're going to be making some chocolate chip cookies. Why? Because the boys love chocolate chip cookies, right?
Yes.
Okay, so first we're going to talk about our ingredients. I do what I call a classic chocolate chip cookie. In this recipe, we are using unsalted butter, some brown sugar and regular white sugar, all-purpose flour, chocolate chips, baking soda and salt, vanilla, and eggs. I will list all the ingredients down below, so if anyone wants to check that out. Anyway, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cream our butter and our sugar together. We're gonna start by putting our butter in a bowl, and we're gonna put our sugar in a bowl. Good job. All right, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in our mixer and we're gonna cream this together. So I'm gonna use a flat paddle. I'm just gonna scrape it down really fast. And the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna add our eggs one at a time. Mix it for about 20 seconds each time and scrape it down in between. So Renato, why don't you add one egg? All right. A little faster. Good. Perfect. Good job. Scrape that down. And Gianluca, you're going to add the other egg and the vanilla. Good. All right, we'll put this on the mix. We'll scrape that down. Next thing we're going to add is a flour, and I'm going to do this so hopefully it doesn't make too much of a mess. And we're going to also add our salt and our baking soda. Go ahead, Renato. Well, good. And hopefully not make too much of a mess, but I'm really good at that. Had a lot of practice. And the last thing that we're gonna do, just scrape it a little bit. Last thing we'll do is add our chocolate chips. Renato, can you put like half the chocolate chips in? Preferably in the bowl, that's good. And Gianluca, you're gonna add the other half. Perfect, good job. We're gonna mix this. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to clean all our cookie dough off of our hook. Go ahead, Renato. Just take your fingers and yeah, get it perfect. Good. Alrighty. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to scoop these out. I'm going to show you both how to do one, and you guys are going to work on scooping things out. So basically, we're just going to take it. So, you're going to go right up against the bowl. We're going to go 3 across, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to do a little scooping, all right? Actually, you're going to scoop half, and you're going to scoop half. Go ahead. That's perfect. Our cookies are scooped, and I'm going to put them in a 350-degree oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. I'll let you know exactly how long, and I'll see you in a few minutes. So our cookies just came out of the oven. They were in the oven for probably right about 20 minutes. This oven is an electric oven. It's definitely a bit slow. Normally cookies take 12 to 15 minutes, so I'd definitely start to check them after 12 minutes and go from there. You'll notice that they're nice and brown. They're both brown on top, not too brown, just lightly brown. And they're also a little brown on the bottom. You don't want to make them too well done or your cookies will be dry. So anywhere is 12 to 20 minutes, but just try to use your best judgment. So I'm going to put these on a tray and I'll see you in a few minutes. So our cookies are done and they're nice and cool now. I put them on a platter so you can take a look at them. Now we're going to try them. Really, really, really good. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Be safe, everyone. Have a great day.